Leo Ismumo, representing First District of Surigao del Sur.
It is precisely the reason why there should be a legislative purpose, Mr. Chair. Yung pong ating gagawin, it's not for a possible lead to a legislation that might be taught later on. Hindi po yung afterthought eh. Ang sinasabi po nung Neri versus Senate, yung pong kahalagahan ng legislative purpose para focus na focus po tayo. Kapag alam po natin yung purpose natin, pati the kind of questions and the persons na gusto nating tanungin, alam natin kung sinong departamentong makakatulong na sa atin because meron nang nakabalangkas na isang panukalang batas. Kung wala po yun, wayward nga po yun. So mas maganda po yung meron nang nandyan kaysa po isipin pa natin, oo nga pala, pwede palang magyari na magkaroon pa tayo ng batas sapagkat meron tayo sigurong nakalkal. Parang gano'n. Baligtad, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.
Thank you, Congressman Marcoleta. Last to speak before the chair will deliver my manifestation of position with regards to the query or manifestation made by Congressman Marcoleta. Yes, Chairman Ako, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I do not want to debate with the erudite Honorable Marcoleta, soon to be Senator. But there's a Supreme Court decision also entitled Romero versus Estrada, decided in 2009, which states or which clarified that a legislative investigation in aid of legislation is different from court proceedings. Inquiries in aid of legislation are utilized to enable the legislative body to gather information and thus legislate wisely and effectively, and to determine whether there is a need to improve existing laws or enact new or remedial legislation, even if the inquiry need not result in any potential legislation. Kasi if we really would want to come up with a law or to amend any law, there's a need for the legislative body in its inquiry to gather information and data to guide the legislators to come up with a law. I think that was the intent of Romero versus Estrada, decided in the year 2009, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Chairman Ako. Well, in fact, it's not only with Romero and Estrada, it also was cited in the Chartered Bank Supreme Court ruling, no? Yung sinasabi nating question of investigation and aid of legislation. But